me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hello, we're going out today. I want to get started on some home DIYs. I don't think I've done one in a very long time. I have an idea of what I want my head to look like. I have my hair in a very high bun. I want to do like a very, like a, you know, like those messy curly updos, you know? Do we just pin it? Because when I would see other girls do it, they have like looser hair, but I didn't want that. I wanted like this, you know? Have a scrunchie. Let's see if that'll work. Like that, right? Okay, let's get a reference photo. I look insane. I have a wig on standby in case this doesn't work out. Do you just want to leave it like that then? Like effortless? Kind of, sort of. You know what? I think we're just gonna leave it like this. It looks like my hair, it looks like I just popped it on. Not like popped it on, but like pulled it up. I'm here for it. And then this piece, I really wish it was down here. Do we want to just take this piece out, like split it, and then put some glue there? Let's do it. Girl, if that's the case, why don't I just wear it the right side? Wrap around. Do another wrap around. Do we like that? And I kind of want to do 2 pieces here. We'll just leave the back alone and we'll do like, you know, the cute little sideburns. So I got my wig here. These are both the same hair. I made them myself. Okay, so I'm gonna take from the middle of the wig. Just want to put it like right there. That way I'll fold the hair over and comb it down. I'm feeling it. How are we going to do this though? We're just gonna dot it because there's nothing on my face. I don't really care about hair being on my sideburns because girl, I be shaving my sideburns off, so it don't really matter to me. I'm not gonna do edges, 1, because I don't like them, and 2, because I don't really know how. So I'm not about to stress myself out with that, but I'm really feeling this. I'm using the black bottle because it's windy outside and I don't want any problems. I have like the red one too. She's not fully clear yet, but I don't like to wait for this one to turn clear because she takes a long time, girl. I'm feeling it. Like you could definitely see the track, but we're gonna hide that, don't worry. Like that, you see that? Oh, she's hidden. She's a hidden girl. Now, do I wanna use gel? Or do I wanna use this ponytail freeze spray? Which is how I got this to maneuver itself down since we're like, how many weeks post-relaxer, girl? I don't know, but my roots are overgrown, but I'm trying to not relax my hair until like my birthday. Do I want to cut it or is this too long? Is it too long or is it fine? I don't think I should have done that. Now I gotta make a match. Fuck. So you just press it down after you spray it and it'll stay. You know what I mean? It'll stay. Oh! This is the gel I'm using. It's Mexican gel, so I know it's gonna work. I got it when I was in Mexico. I like it. Yeah, let's do some makeup. So we're going to IKEA and then we're gonna go to Zara. I haven't like ever really shopped at Zara. I think I only have like 3 pieces there, but it's all over my For You page. So I'm like, okay, let's go. Why not? This primer is giving, everything is going to slide off, but it's okay. It's all right. It's cool, it's calm. I'm going for a light beat today. Do I even know how to do one of those? No, but we'll figure it out today. It's not a problem, you know? All about trying new things. And I want to be a makeup girly again because I used to do makeup all the fucking time and now I don't. I finally got a new foundation shade. I mean, it looked good in the stove. My brows are not done, but I also have a sickening brow shape, so it's okay. Jesus, I keep thinking, what the hell's touching my face? And it's this shit. The brows aren't matching, and that's gonna piss me off. Like, this should be more out. Ooh! I don't know if I want to go all the way into the city, or do I just want to go down the street to Burlington? Burlington is not down the street. It's still a long drive. Oh, I didn't wear my sponges. This looks a bit red. I'm a red girl. Looks like there's barely anything on. Like my skin. Oh, let's talk about Real Housewives of Potomac. Girl, Robyn needs to go. She needs to go. Gizelle needs to go. Mia needs to go. One thing about, I can't say that. Violence aside, if you're not gonna put your hands on somebody, take them for everything they have. Cause she barely got anything now, you know? You better tell her you will be seeing her, she will be seeing you in court. Cause there's nothing else to talk about. Cause clearly she's not remorseful. But one thing about me, you put your hands on me every time I see you. I cannot be cordial. We cannot be in public together. You're either whopping her on the back of her head, or y'all just can't film together. So that means I gotta go. Robyn, have some shame. Oh, the news that came out about, you know, her roommate allegedly cheating again. It's very scary the way these people have no shame in this world. Like, one thing about, I don't like to be embarrassed. I don't like wasting my time. So you going out here embarrassing me, that's not how my world works. It's not. But she doesn't have shame. She doesn't care about being embarrassed. And that's very scary. Those are people you have to be like terrified of. And Gizelle's just dizzy. What a dizzy human being. That whole colorism segment, waste time. Y'all should have had a moderator. I don't know what this is. Like, why is it like that? Okay. Candace said that she wanted a moderator, and then like the other people, she was outvoted. So what does production do? They have her moderated. It's giving Ginny and Georgia. Whole situation where he asked her to teach the damn lesson plan as if that's not his fucking job. Andy's the kind of person where he'll throw a stone and hide his hands. That's why him and Gizelle, they're twin flames. Like, you see the issue, but you're not doing anything about it. I don't like a person like that. You want them to solve the issue instead of you putting your foot down and either getting someone more qualified to speak, because I didn't want any of them to moderate it. It didn't make sense, because why would Wendy moderate something that she's clearly a victim of? It doesn't make sense. And then Gizelle's dumbass talking about let's move on. The Lord hasn't shown her anything yet. And you know what's scary? She was a first lady. She was a fucking first lady. So I can only imagine what the fuck she was doing in that church. And people are like, oh, she's staying with Juan for the kids. Girl, there's no amount of love for my children that will have me looking stupid in public, because now your kids don't fucking respect you. Candace, you did not need to cry because Ashley acknowledged her privilege. Be fucking for real. You know what a prime example of colorism was? They weren't willing to listen to Candace or Wendy until Karen had to step in and provide an example. Gizelle, you hate Wendy for accomplishing everything that she has on her own, and you couldn't do the same. And you tried to minimize her accomplishments. For what reason? I don't know, but it's giving colorism. Mia trying to make herself a victim, saying, I don't ever want to be accused of colorism. I'm raising a brown girl. Don't nobody care about your daughter right now. Pay attention to the conversation. Do better. But no, everybody wants to be fucking stupid. Shit. Wendy, please take her to court. You are still within the statutes of limitations. Take her ass to court. So until she's really scrapping for some pennies, that's when she'll learn, maybe. I don't know. But she's a terrible human being. I can never bring my best friend on reality TV and act as if she's my pet goat. Wow, I actually did a natural bead. Look at me. I'm proud of myself. Did it do anything? Oh, it dries fast. There's alcohol in here. Fenty Glow. I have to put on blush. I didn't put on blush. Maybe put some blush on the eyelids as well. Pretty.